Hello everyone. Today we will see how to upload answers in Google Classroom and also how to join a class. First, open Google if you are in a computer or laptop, or if you are in a mobile, then you have to install the Google Classroom app from the Play Store. But if you are in a laptop, then you have to click on the 9 dots below the account profile picture and something like this will open up. Here you have to click on the Google Classroom and now it will appear as this. Now to create or join your class, first click on the plus sign, and then if you are a teacher you have to click the create class button, and if you are a student then you have to click the join class. Now after clicking the join class, something like this should open up. Then your teacher would have provided you a class code which you have to enter here. Now join button has to be pressed. So your Google Classroom will open. Now this we have what we have seen now is how to join a Google Classroom. Now we shall see how to upload answers in a assignment in Google Classroom. So here you have to click this assignment, and it according to what your teacher has uploaded in the assignment, the title will be like that. So in a mobile phone and a laptop both, there will be this same button, add or create. So here in laptop there are three options: Google Drive, link and file. This means that you can upload your answer sheet from any of these three options. In a mobile phone, there are other options like a scanner by which you can click multiple pictures and convert them into a PDF very easily. There is also a option of photo or camera which you can click photos and upload them separately. So now I will click file. So a dialog box like this should appear. Now click browse. It should be in the upload one, and select the file that you want to upload. Next click open. So now it will start to upload. Now when it has uploaded, it will come like this. Now if you forget to hand in, your teacher will not be able to see. So you have to press the hand in button and then click this hand in. Now if here it has become unsubmit and it has turned handed in, then your teacher can see this work. Now this what we saw is how to upload an answer sheet in PDF format in Google Classroom. Thanks for watching. Hope you understood everything. If you did not, don't hesitate to watch this video again and post your doubts in the comment section below. Thank you.